Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com. Today in this presentation, we are going to solve a given problem using exterior angle property and angle sum property. Now we have to find the angles PRS, which is an exterior angle to the triangle PQR, and angle PTS, which is an exterior angle to triangle TRS. And coming to the third one, which is STR angle, which is an interior angle of the triangle TRS, and angle PRQ, which is an interior angle of the triangle PQR. So here, angle P is given as 35 degrees, angle Q as 50 degrees, and angle S as 45 degrees, which can be seen in the figure. So, coming to the first one, that is to find angle PRS, which is an exterior angle of the triangle PQR. So hence, PRS is equal to angle P plus angle Q. Here, using the exterior angle property, we get angle P, which is equal to 35 degrees, plus angle Q, which is nothing but 50 degrees, which is equal to 85 degrees. So hence we get angle PRS as 85 degrees. Coming to the second angle, which is angle PTS, an exterior angle of the triangle RTS. So here we can write it as angle PTS is equal to angle R plus angle S by using an exterior angle property. That implies angle R is equal to 85 degrees plus angle S as 45 degrees. We get here as 85 degrees plus 45 degrees, which is nothing but 130 degrees over here. So angle PTS, an exterior angle of the triangle TRS, is nothing but 130 degrees. Let us mark these angles 85 degrees and 130 degrees in the figure. Angle R is equal to 85 degrees and angle T, which is equal to 130 degrees on the figure. Now moving to find the third angle STR, which is an interior angle of the triangle RTS. Since we can write this as angle R plus angle T plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees using angle sum property. So now here, by substituting the values of R is equal to 85 degrees and the value of S is equal to 45 degrees in the equation, we get it as 85 degrees plus angle T plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That implies angle T plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. By transferring 130 degrees to the right hand side, we get angle T is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. That implies angle T is equal to 50 degrees. So here angle STR is equal to 50 degrees. Let us mark this on the figure. Angle STR is equal to 50 degrees. Now let us proceed to find the fourth angle, that is angle PRQ, which is an interior angle of the triangle PRQ. So we know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. This is by using angle sum property. So here, by substituting the values of angle P 35 degrees plus angle Q is equal to 50 degrees plus angle R, which is equal to 180 degrees over here. By transferring the other values except R to the right hand side, we get it as angle R is equal to 180 degrees minus 85 degrees. We get angle PRQ, which is equal to 95 degrees. So let us mark this on the figure. Angle R is equal to 95 degrees. So we can conclude this by saying angle PRS is equal to 85 degrees, angle PTS is equal to 130 degrees, angle STR is equal to 50 degrees, and angle PRQ is equal to 95 degrees. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.